Hey all, YouTube fans and fellow RCers. Hey, welcome back to Larry's RC Room. I know it's been a minute since I posted a video here on YouTube, but we're here at the Amish Mill. It's a pretty cool place looking so far. I brought the Creek Creeper. Yep, we've got Skylar here with us. We've got a TRX4 up there, Bronco. I've got the Creek Creeper out here. We're going to give us a little video tour of this little spot and see what it's all about. Stay with us. I'm going to do a little screen recording here. See what happens. See if I can't make this thing maneuver down this staircase. There we go. Let her get her spun around there. To God, but that's all right.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a pretty steep drop off there too. That's definitely worth a hog right there. I'm gonna try this route. To grab anything with the trap. Come on, rear end, push me on around there. You're here.
What I wanted to do what I wanted to do.
Right.
Didn't have the funds to be able to buy all the power turbos and axles. One thing I do want for this thing is got a metal axle, steel axle.
Those real axles are nice. They really are.
I like to get them.
And if you're gonna do a lot of power throughs, you know, tight spot, that's where they come in real handy. They're real good like that.
Right.
Lifting up, oh yeah, that's pretty shot.
Break it out.
Yeah. I'm telling you what, that waterfall back there is awesome. I'm doing a little bit of recording here. We're gonna close this thing out. We come through here, we've done some video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Got the Creek Creeper K10 high trail from Traxxas. Got the Traxxas Broncos TRX4 modifications there by Skylar there. He's crawling like a crazy man. I'm telling you, he does that truck justice. So Skylar, I thank you, man. I appreciate you meeting me out here for this video. It's been an awesome little adventure. I think if the creek goes down a little bit, water quits flowing, of course, with the rain we're getting, and all we've had, you know, since Helena, I guess, the hurricane.
Yeah.
It's been crazy, man. But yeah, we'll have to hook up and check out Panther Creek. I've looked it up and I didn't see anything about anybody getting hurt, you know, so
right. We'll look into it.
Yeah, we'll have to check it out, go over and check it out, and then we can go out to this other park that's over that way too in more fun sometime. So.
Sounds good.
Anyways, thanks again, man. Appreciate it.
Hey, y'all have a good one.
Hey, heck yeah. It's Skylar, by the way.
Take it easy, fellas.
Heck yeah. We're out here, look at this stream. That's all. Man, I'm telling you, look at all those rocks. We're gonna keep playing, but the video's gonna end. See you later. Peace out. Hey, have fun, laugh and play in an RCing.